Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about Mara stock, Riot stock, my two favorite miners. I made a video a couple days ago telling you guys get ready to buy Riot, get ready to buy Mara because it's nice and cheap, and we love buying cheap. I did not buy Mara. I bought Riot because it was cheaper. $9, $8 is where I bought around at. And just so you don't think I'm smoking, I'm smoking Joe here. We know that the Bitcoin halving is coming. We know that these Bitcoin miners love to run before and after. So it was a no-brainer for me. I'm like, hey, everyone, just start accumulating here. Don't worry, start buying down here nice and cheap. This is the first time in a long time that we've seen the likes of Riot. This is the weekly chart. Can you see that big? Oh, look at that! Look at that candle! Yikes! That's a strong candle. I'm probably gonna get another alert in here and let everyone know, hey, let's buy let's buy again here at 9:03. I'm going to send that alert out at everyone buying Riot at 9:04. Get ready for the having run. Nice green candle close on the weekly. That's a nice close right there. You see that weekly candle, guys? Buyer stepped the F up on that one. So just Bitcoin, it doesn't even matter. It doesn't have to be Riot. Just miners in general have been absolutely tanking and giving us the opportunity to buy cheap. And that is my favorite thing to do. Buy stocks when they are cheap. So I think you still have a chance to buy in, but you better get in today and just hold. Like it's going to be a long term 3 to 6 month swing. So there's going to be, yeah, it might come back down even lower. Hey, that's fine. But do expect to hold for a while, especially if you want the big bucks, because this thing can go back up to $20. Mara can go back to 30. Really doesn't matter what Bitcoin miner it is. I mean, BitF, BTBT. I mean, there's so many, but I think Mara and Riot are the better ones, in my opinion. So yeah, Mara on the weekly, look, buyer stepped in, pushed it up, and it never went lower than 14. So if we draw our supply here, and then our demand, I think it's pretty clear we're in a trading range and we are bouncing. So get in on Mara, get in on your Riot. Be willing to hold for 3 to 6 months. If you want the big bucks, I don't know about you, but I want the big bucks. I'm not going to sit here and just flip it for a couple dollars. We're going to flip it for 50% plus, possibly 100%. Again, the highest these stocks have gone to is Mara to 30, and this one has gone up as high as 18 to $20. So, uh, look, it's that's 100% right there. Yeah, and that's pretty easy money. And the last time we were in a bear market, we came down as low as $4, $3, and you better believe that there were so many people that were scared to buy because they thought, "Oh no, is it going to go to zero?" And then look at that huge run of $20. So I think that right now, Riot, Mara, or any Bitcoin miner, but I would prefer to stick to Riot and Mara because they're more volatile and can jump up dollars. NCLSK is also a good one as well. I think this one's bouncing. Yep. So I would stick to anything volatile if you really want the most bang for your buck. So that is it for the video. I think the trading channel is pretty clear on both Mara and Riot. We buy in, we sit back, we let it go up, and we take our profits. That is it for the video. The next level that has to break is $10 here on Riot. $10 is going to be that big level that we have to that we have to break to go higher. And I believe Mara is going to need to break. Let's switch to the daily. I might get a clearer look at, yeah, 17, 18. Yeah, about 18. Yeah, the 18 to 19 range is where we're going to have to break to go into back into the 20s, in my opinion. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, the 18 to 19 range is where we're going to have to break that in order for us to go to the 20s. And then, yeah, and then we're going to have to break 22 to go to 27, 30. This is the weekly, by the way, just in case, because some people don't pay attention. That's the weekly, just to be clear. So it's going to be a while. If we're trading the weekly, you better believe it's going to take weeks for our moves to happen. So don't expect the next day like, oh my god, we're exploding. It could happen. That would be obviously very much welcome, but I'll be patient. Hopefully you are patient as well, and we will make our money. And that is it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.